So over here you can see that I have timeline on the top and Gantt chart at the bottom. If you don't see the timeline, then you can go around over here onto the view tab, and here you can go around and check the timeline, and then you can see the timeline view right here. So over here in the timeline view, you can see this box right here. So the box is the exact area that you see in the Gantt chart over here on the bottom. So they are linked to one another right here. If I were to click and drag this box around the timeline, you can see that the view on the bottom area changes as well. And this is how you can go around and navigate your Gantt chart by using the timeline box as well, just like this. If I were to zoom in right here, just like this, you can zoom in on the timeline as well and zoom out of the timeline as well, just like this. You can go around onto the bottom on the Gantt chart area and zoom in as well. And once you do that, you can see the exact zoom level on the Gantt chart area as well, as you can see on the timeline. So on the top, you can navigate around to the exact portion where you want to see. You can go around and click and drag around the box right here to change around the zoom level of the Gantt chart as well. And that is how you can go around and then see that the timeline and the Gantt chart view right here is linked with one another. And that is how you can use the timeline to navigate around the Gantt chart inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.